The PBCI Church congregation are extending the warmest greetings in your 60th birthday. Happy birthday, Pastor. May the gracious love of God be upon you. When God called you to gather and unite your people, I am blessed that I am one of them. Since the day we are enjoying praising, singing melodious songs of praise in worship for the living God. Life as a servant of God at that time was full of joy, but as days, months, years passing by, struggles came along that are not expected. But then, as God called you, you didn't stand on your own will, but in God's will. You put your trust to God no matter how hard. To be a mother and a leader into this congregation, handling different kinds of people with different backgrounds. You trust and believe the Lord is your sustaining grace, mercy, strength, and comfort. Your perseverance to put first your spiritual children as your priority for being a spiritual faithful mother for us. Setting aside yourself for your own happiness. You as a mother that teach and show us how God works in our lives. For those long years of perseverance and endurance in humbleness to the call of God. Now it pays off. 28 years of your ministry has now a victory. Victory in Jesus that trials and struggles has overcome and now reached the golden years of blessings upon your ministry. Thank you for your life as an example of a faithful servant of God. God bless you and continue His will upon you into this congregation whom you built. Thank you so much, Pastor, for that long-suffering, love, dedication to your work. We as your children are gladly happy to be able to witness and see the goodness of God upon your life, in your family. We are blessed that we are able to be with you and see you standing in the presence of God into this congregation. Alive, healthy, and with the unending blessings of the Lord Most High. Once again, your spiritual children are extending our warmest greetings in joyful gratitude. A happy 60th birthday, and may the Lord continue bless you in your ministry until God's return to bring His children home. Wishing you all the best, Pastor. Your loving congregation, the PBCI Church, Hong Kong chapter.
Amen. Amen. Can we give a big clap to the Lord? Amen. We witness the goodness of God. Tibiyag ni ayatin tayo mga pastora, manipod pa na irugi na ito nga